Okay, I don't know what you did, but the scramble got really bad. 10-15.
It was an intense race, boys. Christian.
Oh yeah?
That other guy.
Got an 11 average.
It wasn't even that loud. What?
Next one. I can only hit my head against the table so many times.
You already have enough brain damage, Evan.
Am I in the vlog?
Are you?
Oh!
Okay. Alright, well, we're gonna go with that one.
Okay. Bro, I swear to God, you just
Christopher, yeah, wow.
Okay.
Impressive.
Come over here.
Alright, we are, we're about to do final round in 3x3. We got Neil Johnson here. Who are you going up against, Chris?
I'm going against Ali. Yeah. Hey, Alex, who I'm going against.
Who are you going against?
I'm going to go against Chris.
I don't even know which way this viewfinder is. Yeah, I made finals. 10th place. Shouldn't have made it. That's alright. Watch some stalls right here. Thank you.
Is everybody here? Your mom.
That was rude. That was really rude. That was actually really rude. Got Max Park in the house. Got Kevin in the house. Paul Mavi in 2nd place.
Will and Kevin, your turn.
Okay.
Mom have you beat again Isaac Langer, right?
I don't need luck.
Isaac Langer.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You beat Isaac Langer.
His fun fact, quote, I'm slow. Alright. Our 10th seed from Davis City, California, Will Newhall. Fun fact about Will, his solo win percent in Fortnite is 11.6%. From Seattle, Kevin Hayes.
Nowhere. 7.5.
And Danny and like
Yeah, Danny
Lala.
messed up, yeah. In the previous round, usually he'll be in the side.
wow, Will, 7.8. Whew. 8.60.
Second round.
That's true. But that would require Kevin to get
Get another
a
6.
6-8. Oh, Will with another low 8.
8, 2, 6.
From Mahabai.
I love you.
Paul's fun fact is that he's an Eagle Scout.
The views, for the views.
Max Park.
still.
Hey Chris. Hey Chris. What place did you get in 3x3? Really? What place did I get?
Yeah.
What was your average?
We both got 838.
Yeah, exactly. We both got it, and you beat me somehow.
So yeah, his name starts with C.
What's your name start with?
Quack D.
Get that cardistry out of here. Whoa.
His name starts
you're
with
cool.
L, because that's what he has.
Oh. Wow, that was actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty cool. In the vlog, it's Tyler Howlett, dude. In the vlog, love it. Oh, Ty Marshall. Hello. 2 ties. This isn't gonna get uploaded anyways. Yeah. That's so good. Yeah, this isn't getting uploaded.
How much would I have to pay for your channel?
Absolutely nothing. Because
You give it to me for free.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Password, please.
Your Western champion, Ishan Agrawal. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh God. Champion, Christian.
Christian! Wow. I'm just not.
In first place, with an average of 6.55, your Western champion, Max Bond!
Woo! I can be on 5 at 5 in like 13 minutes. Okay, let's go. Okay. I don't even know how you're able to see it. It's weird. Oh my gosh. Wow. So, you're gonna watch me spam TPS as hard as I can.
We're gonna get.
Literally, as fast as I can.
We're gonna get a 3. It's gonna happen. We're gonna get a 3.95.
It's either gonna be a 7 or a 12. Bullshit. I'm ready. Whatever.
Spam 8 TPS with 3 straight minutes. I dare you. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
It was neither a 7 nor a 12.
Oh,
All right.
San Francisco.
What's going on, guys? We're gonna be vlogging today.
It thinks I'm in San Francisco.
We're deciding where we want to eat. There's options quickly. We all love boba, so that might be an option. We got Nathan Wu here with his deck of cards. That was a huge trick, man. Christian beat Felix yesterday.
Hi.
I wasn't there.
It didn't
What's
happen.
up?
It wasn't there.
Yeah, I wasn't
It's
there.
all on camera, it doesn't exist.
Was it on camera?
It is on camera.
It is on camera? Excellent work. What about WCA? It's on WCA, Chris.
Oh yeah, it is.
Okay.
Wait, what?
Yeah, they updated it quickly.
Dang.
Quickly.
gotta go
Whoa, that was
quick.
on cam now.
Pun on cam.
Pun on cam. Gone wild. In the hood. Police were called. Cops were called. Can I make it? What? Why not? The lighting's not good. You still look great though, Chris. You still look great. The guy that beat Felix Zemdigs. Look at this goodness. Fried chicken in there. We're just playing cards. You want staff lunch? What?
These guys suck.
Thank you. Wow, congrats. Congrats. Hey, Chris.
Rip Pat Punch. Wait, he actually lost? Yeah, no, Patrick won. Oh. Wait, actually, I don't know.
This is behind the scenes. This is incredible.
Wait, how is this casually solved? No.
Casual solve, number 3. Please solve.
You put me under pressure, oh my god.
And it's going in.
Oh yeah, at least